hawks.
What a beautiful day today. And we're gonna review this car, Skoda Fabia. Third version, 2017. This already 5k kilometers. And it is in brown. It was supposed to be 1.0 TSI, but in that case I got MPI, which is really pity. You can watch some driving on the highway in the city, aggressive of course, on some places. It's with the standard wheels, no any nice wheels, small wheels, some winter tires, and the car is nice actually. So overall it's you can see it has some nice ground clearance, but it's really wide. It's 1 ton, and this one especially 60 horsepower with 100 newton meters of torque, which is a little bit less than my mixer at home, which I use for cooking. This is underneath the car. It has some plastic cover under the engine, which is good for bad roads. And on the front it looks like a hamster, my wife says. Actually it's kind of aggression on the front, but it's still nice. Nice LED headlights. Of course it's a white car. You can feel everything is really thin, just enough so that it can be used with such low-powered engine. It says Fabia here. This is the 5th door version. It's a hatchback. Let's see the trunk first. This video will start with the trunk. This is the size of the trunk. Not too much big, not too big, but still nice place. It's still okay, I think. And the interesting thing is that you have a full-size spare tire here. The full kit. It's not with these run flat sheets, and of course you can have your seats down if you want, so that you can have some extra space putting different things inside the car. This is the rear seats. Plastic here is cheap, but it's well fixed. Here this is manual. That's really strange for 2020 year. For nowadays it's really strange to have these manual things, which make muscles. Okay, I still have some room above my head. This one here is movable, so that I can be comfortable enough. You don't have here in the middle to put your hand, so no such extras here. And 2 people on the back will be okay, and one really small kid, because otherwise no room for more. Well, it's a small car. However, let's show you the front from here. It's a manual 5-speed, has very nice dashboard. I like the dashboard, it's nice. And now I cannot open. What happened? I'm a prisoner in this car. Something happened. Maybe there is some system. And how I am supposed to go out of the car, guys? I cannot go out from here too. Well, I turn out to be a prisoner in this Fabia. Let me see if I can do it from here. Oh yeah, that would be nice. I'll have to go through there. What a stupid car, guys. That's an absolutely stupid car. And I have to put this button, but I still cannot open it from here. Maybe some children protection there. Let's see. I don't see any button here. Wow, I get stuck inside. So how I'm supposed to go out now? Let's try it one more time. No. So guys, here the video ends, because I am stuck in that car and I cannot go out, obviously. Okay, I'll try from the front. Just put this shit down. However, it's not so easy. Come on, open the door, open the door, I'm scared, open the door. Okay, I'll have to little bit damage. Ugh. It's not so easy, friends, really not easy. And if someone is watching, he will see me making some yoga things inside this Fabia. Just a second, I'll try my other leg. Oh, sorry, Skoda. Oh, I think I managed to go in front. What a stupid idea to go out in the back, guys. Okay, well, let's continue with the car. We have some auto stop start system, headlights, of course, some, what's this, cruise control, plus minus. We have here multi-wheel, we can change the stations, we can also change the volume, and we have some radio, media phone setup on here. We have 5-speed manual, handbrake, normal handbrake, some armrest here. Seats are pretty nice as a standard, have some nice lumbar support here. They are manual, of course. This is the size of the glove box, really good size. You can see passenger airbag control. Okay, walking, heating, and as I said, car is pretty standard, guys. Let's see under the hood. This is pretty cheap. And now here opens fucking door. Okay, I was going under the hood. Let's see it. Well, we can make some muscles with this because it should be cheap. You see, MPI, 60 horsepower engine, no any turbo, the gearbox you see, and a battery, pretty standard stuff. The echo is here, Bosch echo, and here how it closes, like this. Okay, I'll start it up. Well, don't forget it's a low level entry car, you can buy for 10,000 K, so you cannot ask for more. Okay, start it up. 3-cylinder engine, make a little bit of a vibration inside the coupe because it's not so balanced. You cannot rev it more than this on a stationary. It's limited by the software. Full throttle, and this is some kind of launch control, I think. Okay, we have some gauges here. We can switch. We cannot switch now because the door is open and the trunk. However, we have radio, we have media, Bluetooth, of course. We have phone. We can switch here different things. We have some setup on this touch screen with Bluetooth. You can connect your phone here, smart link, but here is not allowed to use. We have here ESC off, ESC on. We have other parking. It has Parktronic, about the daylights, about this one, the wipers, opening, closing, automatic closure of the door, so comfort opening can be also included. And we have other stuff here, nothing interesting, just basic stuff. We have some green score, and we see that we are 41, which is not good. We need 100, but I am driving like a maniac, and that's my average consumption. Okay, guys, the wheel is wide, but the thing I like about this car is not its power. Maybe if bought with a 1.0 turbo engine or 1.2 will be really good, especially remapped will be aggressive. And wide, I really like the handling, even though it's with these small tires and it's not with sport suspension. It really has a nice handling, guys. So thank you very much for watching. That was my fast review of this Skoda. It's not a bad car. It's nice materials on the wheel, nice dashboard, but engine is weak, so we have to take turbo engine if we buy such car. Thank you for staying with us. Bye, guys. Subscribe to our channel, and bye.